It's update time. Apple just dropped iOS 26.1, and this release is making waves for more than just the usual bug fixes or security patches. If you've been waiting for something fresh, this update is definitely worth your attention. This time, Apple's packed in some real changes that go beyond the surface, introducing features that could actually change how you use your device every day. The headline feature is a major visual refresh called Frosted Liquid Glass. It's not just a new look, it's a whole new vibe for your lock screen and home screen, with a frosted, translucent effect that feels both modern and premium. And for iPad users, the return of slide over is huge. This multitasking feature lets you quickly switch between apps or keep multiple windows open, making productivity on the iPad smoother than ever. Frosted liquid glass adds a sense of depth and texture to the interface, making icons and widgets pop. The animations feel more fluid, and the overall experience is just more immersive. Slide Over, a fan-favorite multitasking tool, is back and even more powerful. You can now resize windows, drag and drop content between apps, and keep your workflow uninterrupted. There are also new customization options and settings, letting you tweak your device's appearance and behavior more than ever before. Plus, Apple's added some solid accessibility upgrades, making iOS 26.1 more inclusive for everyone, with improved voice control and new display options. It's clear Apple's listening to feedback, especially from power users and the accessibility community, and these changes reflect that. In this video, we'll break down the new look, the multitasking improvements, and help you decide if this update is worth your time, or if you should wait. Is frosted liquid glass just a flashy gimmick, or does it actually make your device easier and more enjoyable to use? And is Slide Over as good as we remember, or has Apple managed to make it even better for multitasking pros? We've tested all the new features, explored every menu, and pushed the update to its limits so you don't have to. Here's everything you need to know about iOS 26.1. Let's dive in and see what's really changed. Let's start with frosted liquid glass. The first thing you'll notice after updating. Apple's taken transparency effects and added a new sense of depth, like looking through frosted liquid glass. There's a new frost slider in display and brightness, letting you control the intensity of the effect. Go subtle or crank it up for a bold, textured look. This isn't just for show, the effect actually improves legibility by separating content from busy backgrounds. It's a thoughtful blend of style and function. On older devices, maxing out the effect might impact performance, but the default setting works well for most. The new look makes iOS feel fresh and modern. If you want a calmer interface, just dial the frost down. It's a small change that makes a big difference. Let's take a closer look at what's new under the hood. Digging into the settings, you'll notice just how much more intuitive and customizable iOS 26.1 has become. With this update, Apple gives you more control than ever before, putting powerful new options right at your fingertips. The frost slider is just the beginning. Accessibility settings now feature Reduce Liquid Motion, a thoughtful addition for anyone sensitive to screen movement. This keeps the beautiful frosted look, but tones down the animations, making the experience more comfortable for everyone. Increased contrast and smart invert have also been refined to work seamlessly with the new design language. These features ensure that accessibility is never an afterthought, but a core part of the iOS experience. For those who love to personalize, you can now set different frost levels for light and dark mode. This means your device can look and feel just right, whether you're using it during the day or at night. All these options are easy to find in the revamped display and brightness menu, which has been reorganized for clarity and ease of use. Apple's commitment to accessibility and customization shines through in every detail. Whether you have specific needs or just want your iPhone to reflect your personality, there's something here for you. Setting it up couldn't be easier. Just adjust the frost slider, pick your preferred appearance, and instantly see the changes take effect. You can also fine-tune accessibility features as needed, making sure your device is as comfortable and usable as possible. These new options encourage every user to make their device truly their own, no matter their preferences or requirements. Flexibility is now the new standard. Tailor your iOS experience to fit your unique style, needs, and even your mood. It's a big step forward for user choice, empowering everyone to interact with their iPhone in a way that feels natural and personal. Whether you want bold, vibrant visuals that pop off the screen, or a more classic, understated look that feels familiar and comfortable. It's all right at your fingertips, ready to be explored and customized. With iOS 26.1, Apple is making sure everyone, regardless of ability or style, can enjoy the update and make their iPhone truly their own. For iPad users, Slide Over is back, and it's better than ever. Slide Over lets you pull up a second app in a floating window, perfect for quick tasks without leaving your main app. Now, you can access it from the dock or the multitasking menu, making it easier to use. The floating window can be swiped away and brought back instantly. You can load multiple apps into Slide Over and switch between them, creating a powerful multitasking hub. It's a huge boost for productivity, whether you're taking notes, referencing info, or juggling emails. The combination of Split View and Slide Over makes the iPad more versatile than ever. Apple's finally giving users the multitasking flexibility they've been asking for. It's a game changer for anyone who uses their iPad to get things done. Wondering if your device can run iOS 26.1? Here's the rundown. Apple has made it clear which devices are compatible with this latest update, ensuring you know exactly where your device stands. iPhone 22 and newer are supported. These models will seamlessly run iOS 26.1, taking full advantage of all the new features and improvements. Unfortunately, iPhone 21 is left behind this time. It won't be able to enjoy the latest enhancements. On the iPad front, all iPad Pros are compatible with iOS 26.1, ensuring a smooth and powerful experience. iPad Air 6th Gen and up are also supported, bringing the latest features to these versatile devices. iPad 11th Gen and up are included in the compatibility list, ensuring they can run the new software without a hitch. And yes, iPad Mini 7th Gen and up are compatible too, making sure even the smallest iPads get the latest updates. Devices with A17 Pro or M-series chips get the best experience, thanks to their advanced hardware capabilities, especially with the new visuals that make the interface more vibrant and engaging. If you're on older hardware, you might notice some performance differences. To ensure smoother performance, you might want to keep the frost effect low. Installing the update is simple. First, back up your device, then connect to Wi-Fi and go to Settings. General Software Update. This will guide you through the process. The update is about 2.5 GB, so make sure you have enough space and battery life before starting the download. Ensure your device is plugged in and charging to avoid any interruptions. Download, install, and after a quick restart, your device will be ready to go. You'll see the new lock screen, which is just the beginning of the new features. The process is quick and painless, taking only a few minutes. You'll be ready to explore all the new features in no time. From enhanced privacy settings to new app functionalities, Apple's made upgrading as easy as ever, ensuring you can enjoy the latest and greatest with minimal effort. So, what's the verdict from users? The frosted liquid glass look is getting rave reviews. People love the fresh modern vibe and the customization. Slide Over's return on iPad is a hit, especially with productivity fans. Most users say the update feels stable and responsive, even with the new effects. Some on older devices notice minor slowdowns with Max Frost, but it's easy to adjust. A few prefer the old transparency, but the new options let everyone find their sweet spot. Overall, iOS 26.1 is being called one of the most exciting updates in years. Apple's focus on user feedback and real improvements is winning people over. So, is iOS 26.1 worth it? Absolutely. The frosted liquid glass design isn't just pretty, it's practical, improving both style and usability. Customization options let you make iOS your own. For iPad users, Slide Over's return is a massive productivity boost. The update feels stable, polished, and genuinely useful. Even on older devices, you can tweak settings for the best experience. Apple's listening to users and pushing the platform forward. Whether you care about looks, multitasking, or accessibility, there's something here for you. It's a win for everyone. Your device will feel new again. Go ahead and update, then let us know your favorite feature in the comments. Is frosted liquid glass your new go-to, or are you all about Slide Over?